HBO Max is one of the best apps that you can download for your TV. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways of how to install HBO Max on any LG Smart TV. It can be really frustrating if you want to watch some of the great content that is on HBO Max and you find that your TV is unable to download it. At the time of this recording, HBO Max is only available on certain brands of TVs. Also, if your TV is an older model of smart TV, then it could prevent you from downloading this app. So the way that I'm going to show you how to install HBO Max will be able to work on any model of TV on any year of TV. You just have to have an HDMI port on your TV to plug into. I recommend getting a Roku stick or an Amazon Fire Stick. Both of these media streaming players have the capability of download HBO Max. You would then use a Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. If you want to spend a little more and get a more robust device that gives you a few more options, then take a look at the Apple TV 4K. All these devices plug into the HDMI port on your TV, no matter how old it is, no matter what model it is. I've had great luck with all these streaming players, and I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get one of them. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.